In Calendar, you can create and manage a task list. These tasks are part of a separate calendar that is listed under the My Calendars list in the sidebar. There are also the same tasks found in Gmail, and any changes made in Calendar will be synced with the list in Gmail. Be sure to take the lessons about tasks as part of our Gmail training to learn more. To create a new task, first click on the day you want it to be completed. A new event window will open that has a link to create a task. Click this link. It is important to note that if the task's calendar is not selected and active in the sidebar, the option to create a task will not appear. The window will change and you can enter the details of your task. In the top field, you can give your task a title. In the Note field, you can enter any information relevant to the task. When you're done, click the Create button. You will now notice that your task has been added to your selected date. It will also be immediately added to your task list in Gmail as well as in Calendar. Click the task in your calendar to open the Details window and make edits. At the top of the window is a checkbox that you can select when the task is done. The due date can be altered by clicking in the date or on the calendar icon. When you do, a calendar will open where you can select a new due date. You can also add and edit the notes attached to this. If you've created lists for your tasks, you can use the drop-down menu to choose the list the task belongs to. If you would like to delete this task, simply click the Delete link. When you are done editing your task, click the Close button. Once you've completed your task, you can check off in Calendar by clicking the box attached to it. When you do, a line will be drawn through the task title showing it is done.